No, but this.
But the one I'm interested in is irrigation, because that one is a booster to the economy. Because then you stabilize agriculture, you make it stable, and now there are two ways of irrigation. Because we are lucky, we have these mountains and then lowland. So you can do one of those. We have already some irrigation schemes. They can show you the videos of the ones which are already there, using a few rivers. But there are many other rivers which can be tapped. I think the one you're talking about is Mount Elgon. Teso is below Mount Elgon.
Yes.
There's a mountain between Kenya and Uganda.
Yes, that's the region.
Where rivers are coming from. Because irrigation does not only stabilize, it also boosts the production.
Yes.
When we irrigate, you find the yield goes up more times than just rain-fed. We have got good rain here.
Yes, sir.
But still it's not a bit unstable sometimes. To take advantage of the gravity from the mountain streams, you just distribute. Or you pump from lowland to high ground, then you distribute. Now, we have a company here making solar-powered water pumps, making them here, whom we gave that work of making the water pumps, to pump the solar, because we didn't want petroleum, diesel. That one is already moving, but this one would handle the gravity.
We have been the largest Indian contractors on the African continent, executing projects in more than 26 countries, but Uganda. We have been attempting to undertake water projects. We in fact had a series of discussions with the Ministry of Water, and then twice we were in discussion with the Ministry of Finance for the Teso water supply scheme project. We were informed by the Ministry of Water to avail highly concessional finance for the government of Uganda, which we did provide in the month of December in 2023. And since then we've been following up with the Ministry of Water, where certain feasibility studies have to be undertaken, which have actually been concluded, but the consultant is not supporting. And we are waiting for the Ministry of Finance to confirm with the bankers, which is Investec Bank, to support them on the financing. It is an entire water supply system where the water is flowing down, and we are supposed to canal it, harness it for irrigation and drinking water supply schemes across the region.
Under a BOT to put up a factory here to manufacture, to assemble the prepaid water metering system. Yes, and obviously what we'll then be requesting from the government is to allow us to import maybe in the first year or two while you are putting up the factory. It's going to export to the region because there's a demand for that. That's another advantage, because we are going to put it as a hub here. We export to Sudan, to Tanzania, to Kenya, the prepaid water meters, because it's now a requirement in the region. We are doing it in Zimbabwe. We started it with the Zinwa on a small note, and the government of Zimbabwe, our president, has directed that we roll it countrywide, because we need to harness, it's going to bring efficiency in revenue collection, because everything is now prepared, even our lives, everything is now prepared. So we thought we should actually bring the same concept here in Uganda. We started with the electricity meters. Yes, we can put up a factory here through our partners. So for both water and electricity meters, well, that's our area. Prepaid, yes, that's where our technology is. We can put up an electricity manufacturing, prepaid manufacturing plant in this country.